Okay guys, so if you know anything about me, I'm obsessed with lashes. I love lashes and I can't live without them. So I normally will wear these. These are Lilly's Lashes. I'm obsessed with them. They are not cheap and they're 30 bucks each. I normally buy them on sale, but when I buy them on sale, I'm kind of questioning the quality of the product. I don't know if it's in my head, but it just doesn't seem as good as what I'll pick up at, say, Sephora. So here are two lashes, I can't talk, two lashes that I got at Black Friday. These ones are the Miami ones. These are my favorite lashes. They say that you can use them for 25 uses. They're 3D, real mink, non-cruelty free strip lash. They're fragile. So that's another thing that is, you know, it can be difficult. I've never used them 25 uses. This is my second favorite one. These are Mykonos. These kind of remind me of like doll-like lashes. They crisscross, they're fuller, but they are shorter. But it is nice to kind of mix it up. So, but I'm always on the quest for something better, right? Aren't we all? So my mom sent me this link and I was like, I gotta try it. It's called Haupan. I've looked at a couple videos where people swear by them. These are the lashes that, oops, that they come with. This one's kind of long. These are tapered on the edges. And it's like pretty extreme, and I'm all about extreme, but even for me, I feel like they kind of are a little extreme. So I'm gonna try these ones on. These kind of are like a cross between Mykonos and Miami, because they crisscross, but they're light and airy. So it's kind of fun. I'm excited to give them a shot. So I started to film this in my car, which is not a good place to do it. I usually do put my lashes on in the car. But not today. I was like, ooh, I gotta trim these. And that's rare. I never really have to trim them. But if you have to trim lashes, what you wanna do is you want to put them on your eyes and see how long that is. Like there's that much. So you can kind of measure to see how much you need to trim. I mean, I never need to trim my Miami lashes. And this is like a significant amount that I'm gonna have to trim. Now, if you have some like cuticle scissors, those are great. I don't know where mine are. I have them, but, so I'm just gonna use these, oops. And cut just a little bit off on the edges. You don't wanna cut it on the interior because the more that you go in from like here, it's gonna be longer and it's gonna look less natural. So I think I might need to cut off even more. That's crazy. Okay, so we're gonna cut off a little more. And I guess this is good because you for sure aren't gonna have them too short. And I'm just cutting off like, let me show you, like this much at a time because it's always easier to cut more. You can't glue it back. And when you're spending $6 on these, I mean, oh, that looks perfect. Ooh, I like it. All right, okay. So now we gotta do the glue. I'm gonna use this duo glue. I like the clear one. Oh, this has a little like fur on it. Okay, we got that. Better than the squeezy ones because that one always, it's like too much. And you just put like a really thin layer, like very thin. And you're gonna bend these. You're gonna bend them and you're gonna move them so it becomes easier to put against your lash line. Let's see if I can do this. It's a little bit harder to do it with a light blaring in your eyes, and you're just gonna kind of put it into place. And if you notice that like it's not where you want it, just start over. Like look at the difference. This is why I wear lashes. I mean, this is crazy. Okay, so I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the quality. When I first looked at it, I was like, meh. Doesn't look as great. This is actually pretty amazing. Look at that. Like none, all the lash. Here, I'm gonna, just for fun, so you guys can see, and I probably should have curled my lashes. It will give you like a better, more finished look, but, so here's the difference. Okay, so this is like no lashes, no mascara, nothing, so, geez. And then here is with mascara only. I mean, like, look at that. That's like nothing. This is why I love lashes. Like, it still doesn't even look like I have anything on. All right, so let's have some fun since we're having fun, right? I'm gonna put on the Miami Lash so we can see the difference and see what, is it really all that different? Is 30 bucks well spent? Or can we get by with Amazon Prime shipping? I mean, I know what I want to happen, but we'll see. I'm gonna give you my real opinion. Okay, so here's the Miami Lash. And I'll put another thin layer on. And these I already know I never need to trim them. And so I'm just gonna like arch it. And then you just kind of set it into place. Why is it so hard? It's so much harder to do this with the light shining in your eye. Okay. And having longer nails really helps. Okay, I have to, so here's the lashes. So this is my Amazon one, and this is the Miami. I dare to say I think I like this one better because it's longer. It's a little bit fuller too. And I mean, $6, that's crazy. I am totally impressed. Amazon, $6. Lilly Lashes, 30 bucks. I mean, wow. Okay, ready? Picture time. All right, guys.